Welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use count function and counter function in Excel. Count function. Count especially counts cells that contain numerical values. Counter counts all non-blank cells regardless of the data type, numerical, text, number, etc. Okay, let's see count function. So equal count class break and then select the column, import, export tscd. You can see it's count 0 because there is no number. Count function use only count only number. So let's select number column, stock. Yes, there are 13 records. One is blank record, so if I put 0, it's also counted total 14. If it's blank, then it counts only 13 records, 13 numbers. Okay, now counter. So equal to counter plus break and then select the sequential code where is number and text exist. So it's counted 13. If it's only text, then it's also counting. And let's see only number, you can see stock is also counted. Hope you understand it well. Thanks for watching this tutorial.